You got more fireworks?
Are you setting them off? Where are you?
Whoa!
Holy fuck! Did you see that?
Yeah.
Holy fuck!
You doing more?
Nah, we're not.
Who's doing it now?
I don't know, some other guys. People.
Oh.
They're doing it sick.
Whoa!
Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's mad. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't even see it.
Behind the box there.
Yeah, no shit. Turn your light on.
I can't. I'm recording. Yeah.
I think it's done, man.
Alright.
We're both putting set some more on.
Yeah, we need to fix it up and start.
We set more.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna stop my recording now.
Turn your light on.
Right. Alright. Well, that was an unexpected video. Just randomly happened. Hope I might make a video tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow.